Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my Nasdaq weekly reports, and it's now turning into a monthly thing where I can just post like 2 weekly reports in the month on YouTube here, just so you guys can see what we can expect in the coming days for Nasdaq and where we've been coming from. I'll also leave the link in the description so you guys can check the previous video out. So this is what we have here. I was expecting a bearish retracement down to 1300, and then from this point I was expecting a bearish retracement down to 1300, and which would have got a bearish retracement down to 1300, and then we bounced off the bottom trend line to give us more buy, as you can see, the bottom bullish trend line, as you can see. And then the next time we got a double bottom. Yeah, we got the double bottom, which shows this another opportunity to buy the market. We got something like a false breakout when I clicked the play button, but then regardless, the overall bullish trend line was not broken properly, so we got to buy even to a historical high up there, as you can see on my chart. So Nasdaq has been mostly bullish. There's been a lot of bearish opportunities to catch though, but it's been mostly bullish. And then the next time on the market, we got there at the resistance point of 13,400. Yes, so at that point I was like, okay, this is going to be a two-way breakout. It's going to go up. It's either going to go up or it's going to come down. So we got the break up side and we rode it straight up to 13,600. That was what we got. So the next time on the chart, I was expecting it to break, because that was the resistance, the highest high of the market. So I know anytime you get Nasdaq at the resistance point, if it does break, it's going to continue in that direction, or it's going to bounce back to the next mark. So this is now the current analysis. I'm not going to say much because it's pretty much easy to say in this analysis. As you can see there, just from my current analysis, you can already tell what the Nasdaq market is trying to do. We got a break from 13,600, a very strong resistance to give us more historical high on Nasdaq, right? And now we've been bullish. Today we got a little bit of a bearish market to come touch the 13,600, 13,500 mark, and then we got a quick reversal again back up. So from this point, what I do think is that the market is going to continue in the bullish pattern. It could give us some little bears, so don't expect any much sell at the moment. Don't expect much sell from Nasdaq. You can take scalping opportunities though, but just know we're going to ride it up way high to 14K mark. I'm not too sure, but I do know it's going to go way up, and then we're going to form a kind of a very strong resistance, very hard to break over at that point, then before we can get a reversal down back to 13,600. That's going to be a very huge sell opportunity. But for now, you can pause selling, you can just join the buy trend, you can follow the bullish trend and just keep on buying the Nasdaq markets. You can scalp the bears, but for now though, we are still on the buy trend, and we're going to buy way up to at least 13,400, even if not exactly at 13,400, I mean to say 14,000, sorry. So even if we don't buy up to the 14,000 mark, but just know somewhere around 13,800, 13,900 is going to be like a ranging and the resistance over at that point before we can see any huge bearish retracement. The bearish retracement is going to take us down back to exactly 13,600, even if further down to 13,400. But for now, the market is bullish, so let's expect more buys, at least to 14K. That's just it for this video. If you like my Nasdaq weekly report, you can smash the subscribe button and like this video. You can share it to your friends that's also interested in trading Nasdaq with me. You can join our Telegram group and get free signals, or the VIP signals group. So thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to expect more buys from Nasdaq. I'll see you soon in my next video.